Hello everyone, so today is 30th June and let's discuss what happened during the market hours and how we predicted and how we analyzed everything and what the end of the day data is predicting and how to trade for tomorrow. So first of all, let's go for the end of the day data. So as you can see, even further the futures long positions have been closed, and also a good amount of futures short positions have been closed, but still the amount of short positions is huge. Okay, don't consider that it's I mean, now futures is bullish. Okay, still it's bearish because I mean, though futures short positions have been closed, but still they are in good amount. And also the other thing is that futures long positions have been closed. If futures long positions were also developing, then we would have thought about it, but futures long positions are also closing. Okay, then coming to the next thing, that is the option data. The option data is not conclusive, but I would like to point you to one thing, that is you can see very well that all the call shots that were made, they have been closed, and also call long positions have been closed. So everything that was for today's expiry have all been closed. It's nothing like I mean, it was for the expiry, not for any the next week or next month. So yeah, those have been closed, but for the next week or the next month we can see very little data. But the point here is that look at the put buying amount and look at the put short amount. Okay, according to the put short amount, the put buying amount is more than double, not more than double, almost double, sorry. Okay, so that much is not required for hedging. So I mean, the option chain only we can say that there is put buying. Otherwise, call short and put short, so not much data to conclude. But yes, obviously put buying is there. Okay, so still view is bearish, but also let's go and see what the option chain data is suggesting. So this is 7th of July, the next week expiry. So if you see that today at 15,800, so here 15,800, I mean, the OI change is positive on both the sides if you see. And so on the call side, 20.1 lakhs contracts have been added, 15,800. Okay, and on the put side, 15,800 on the put side, 19.1 lakhs contracts have been added. Okay, so we need to be careful about 15,800, but at 15,700 also, I mean, on both the sides the OI change is not, I mean, on the put side 11.4 lakhs contracts have been added, and on the call side 5.2 lakhs contracts have been added. So overall at 15,800, 31 lakhs contracts are there, and on the put side 29.5 lakhs contracts are there, and also at 15,700, 10.8 lakhs contracts are there, and on the put side 25 lakhs contracts are there. Okay, so overall and also at 16,000, 19.6 lakhs contracts have been added, and 31.9 lakhs contracts are there in total. So half of the contracts have been added today. Okay, so 16,000 could act as resistance, and so 15,000 would also act as 15,800 would also act as resistance. But the main resistance we can surely say that would come at 16,000 if index moves upward. But looking at our resistance level, so we can go and just short at 16,200 or above tomorrow. Okay, and wait for this level to break, 15,647. So this is where now the index are just doing zigzag move. Okay, so we need to be careful about these two levels. And talking about BankNifty, So yeah, and also since put buying has been done, so be a little bit careful. And talking about Bank Nifty, so at 33,500, 33,500, some huge OI has been built up. So 33,500, 7.6 lakhs contracts have been added, out of which overall in total there are 10.2 lakhs contracts, 33,500 on the call side, and on the put side there are 7.7 lakhs contracts overall, out of which 5.7 lakhs contracts have been added today. Okay, so let's look at the Bank Nifty level. So 33,500 or above is good to short at. So that's why 33,500 is there are some short positions there. But if you want to be very much safe, then you can go above 35,100 and take short positions. Okay, so no, sorry, I made a mistake. 33,500 was the short positions that we talked about, but we are talking about 34,500. So yeah, 34,000, at 34,000 there are 7.8 lakhs contracts, out of which 4.1 lakhs contracts have been made today, but the put side is not looking great. Okay, so we have to see what fresh positions are being built. Yes, and 34,500 of there are 9.5 lakhs contracts, okay, on the call side, and 5.8 lakhs contracts have been added today. So that's why these contracts have been added today, because this level would surely act as resistance, 34,500 or above. Okay, so taking position call shots above this level would help if the index are moving within these range. Okay, and if this level breaks, then we can go for some put buying, 33,208. okay, so and then the next level will be 32,167. so that's the idea. So data is not much to conclude several things, but still the overall thing is bearish, but some up move might come to hunt the bears. So as you saw this week, always the bears were hunted. Yeah, so we should be careful. And talking about the selling, so FII sold 1138 crores and DIs bought 1378 crores. So just both are balancing out their buys and sells. And yeah, so that's it, how you can trade. And let's talk about today. So how the game was played. So first of all, when today, let's go for a 15 minutes candle. So here Nifty just shot up, and it was just taking 15,900 was acting as resistance, and yes, and same for Bank Nifty, 33,600 was acting as resistance. Okay, so now you see that we talked about yesterday about the futures data. So huge position or amount of futures data were added yesterday, and yesterday if you see that this was the level. Okay, so if future short positions have been added in one of these levels, okay, still Nifty went above that level and the futures price would be greater than that, and so FIIs would be in loss, and so we were waiting for this down move. Okay, so because this we know was a fake move, and that's why according to our previous day analysis, and when this move was being done, yes, many of retail traders started doing put shots. Okay, but at from 10:15 onwards, if you can see here in the morning, we detected not only call shots. So we started call shots from 10:14 or maybe before that. Yeah, 10:10 a.m. we started the call shots when we got the signal of the reversal. So here 10:10 a.m. so this is the candle. No, this is the candle when we got the signal. So and we started we started the call shots. Okay, and then at 10:15 we detected here at 10:15 yes, put buying has started 10:15 a.m. Okay, so 10:15 a.m. we detected put buying, and then when then the next confusion was at 15,800, because at 15,800 many of them had taken put short positions, but the thing is that we detected put buying, and so we were sure that Nifty would further go down, and that's what happened. Okay, and it went near to about 15,700. From there it pulled back, but you should note that during this down move at 15,800 call shorts were happening. So the big players in the morning, they did put buying when the index, both the index were at their highs, they were doing put buying, and when it came down, okay, they when it was coming down, they started call shorting. Okay, and for Bank Nifty it was at 33,500 here. They started huge call shorts at 33,500. Okay, so if you see, we noted that. So here, so 33,600 we shorted, and then we at 15,800 we were waiting for the Nifty to cross, and here still the day's low was not broken, but still since we detected put buying, so at 10:22 a.m. I told that it would again cross 15,800. Okay, and it would go below, and the money flow was also negative for Nifty, but for Bank Nifty in the morning the money flow was positive, but finally the Bank Nifty also money flow became negative, and then there was a sure short trade, and then here in the midday you see that it was breaking day's low and was going for 15,700, and you saw it went to near about 15,700. So yes, all these were detected way before the move came. Okay, so we'll be going down. We predicted at 11:16. So 11:16 was here, 11:15 candle. Okay, so here it was going up at 15,806, or maybe up 15,810. Okay, then also we detected that further down move would come, and you see from there it went down almost by 70 points. Okay, not 70, 63 points. If you consider from 810, so 15,810, so 70 points. Okay, so so 70 points down move came further because there was put buying being done. So put buyers were there, and then call shorts also started. But as you see that suddenly what happened was this up move came. Okay, then up move came. So what exactly happened was this up move was done for the stop loss hunting of the bears. Okay, and that's why the end trade that we took today here, it was a little risky because still the stop loss hunting was being done, but we could at 1:23 p.m. I told to short at 15,000 call side and also 35,500 call side. Okay, because a huge premium was there, almost I remember that here when it was around this candle. Okay, so still no we 130, so yeah, it was around this candle. Okay, so the premium was almost above 40 rupees, so huge premium, and it was a huge opportunity to sell. And and we knew that since put buying was done and at 15,800 call shorts were done, this was nothing but stop loss hunting, and it had to go down, and that's why finally it went down and the premium went to zero. And so that's how we performed today. And also same for Bank Nifty also, you see it went down below finally 33,500 call option did end at zero. Okay, so that's how the indicators performed, and that's how my analysis worked. So as you can see here, going down, and then the index also followed. The score went down and then again went up, but did not cross this zero line. Okay, but finally here it crossed somewhat, but here we already knew that it would again come down, okay, because of these gaps that were created, and finally yeah, so here also finally the call writers won, and here you can see that Bank Nifty also performed in a similar fashion. Like here it went up and then came down, and then again went up, and all these gaps were created, and then again went up a little. Okay, so and finally we knew that what was happening at each of those strike prices we detected via the IV. So even if you see here, that is at 1:12 p.m. I told that IV is very high on the put side. So that very, and constantly IV is increasing on the put side, and on the call side IV was decreasing, and that was a very easy analysis that you could have done, that is call shorts and put buying and nothing else. And that's why at the end also there was a huge fall. Okay, so that's how our indicators performed, and that's how our analysis went, and we had a great day today at derivatives indicators. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you are learning something. That is how we are analyzing every day to predict the put buying or the call buying, or wherever call shorts or put shorts are happening, along with our indicators and the IV. So I hope you have also made some profits today. So thanks for watching, and keep learning, keep watching. Trade safely. See you in the next one.